guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariah if you're new here, and today you guys are gonna just hang out with me while I do some stuff that I've been needing to do. I've recorded a little b-roll of my morning, so I'm about to throw you guys to that in a minute. But before we go there, please subscribe, please comment, please like this video. It means so much to me and it helps me out a lot. I really want to thank you guys for the support that you guys have been giving me so far. I'm so thankful. Please follow me on Instagram at _Mariah Symone and on Twitter at _Mariah Symone with 3 E's. And without further ado, let's just get into it.
Already fed the poke, niggas too scared to go. Hey, I couldn't like hands and so. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a 9 in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Bitch, I'm a man.
We're not gonna be doing like a whole get ready with me, but I mean, I guess we're not doing like a chit chat get ready with me, but I'm gonna just speed this up for the most part. But I did wanna just let you guys know what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be filming on IGTV my like quick 10-minute makeup. I'm very excited for you guys to see that. But yeah, this is not my quick 10-minute makeup. I was just ready to tell you guys because I want to start doing IGTVs and being more active on Instagram and posting more content. So if you guys want to see that, then follow me on Instagram.
I sit to the head and float. Already fed the poke, niggas too scared to go. I couldn't like hands and so. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a 9 in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. Bitch, I'm a man. You did with no advance. Give my nigga a chance. Tryna see what he gon' do. He done ran up them bands. I done got me some bands too. I can drip on the ground too. And my hood let it down too. I can't decide which one call my ride. The phantom roast body is what. I made the bumpy like the watch. I put some on Ross and no watch. Spin the finger to the cops. Me against the world like Tupac. Say the wrong word, get you shot. The whole world love you when you hot. Think how he gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shot. Take off and went straight to the top. They can't fit me, a nigga too hot. You need to stop living a lie. You know we keep still like the shot. I know I be rich before I die. They won't respect you till you try. Hey, 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 hey. designer head to toe. I sit to the head and float. I already fed the pole. Niggas too scared to go. Hey, go. Hey, 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 hey. I clean like hands and soap. Get a meat, let it drag on the floor. It's a nine in the bed that I told. Working hard, we ain't having no hope. I got look like a charm. 50 racks on the arm. Tsunami a storm. I stay fly, I was there, I was born. These hoes like it's pouring. I get higher than the Osborne. On the couch just a torn. And money is so important. Thought I was done. I can go on and on. My cars are foreign. I crack up and start soaring. My heart is torn. Do the movie like Barry Gordon. The star was born. I live rich like a damn storm. My life full of fun. And no one of my hoes born. Motion never out of time. Motion none of them more alarm. They need jeans with a gun. Play with me, it's a whole war. Ain't finished or done. Got some, but we come to get more. Hey, 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 hey. Designer head to toe. I sit to the head and float. Already fed the pole. Niggas too scared to go. Hey, 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 hey. I clean like hands and soap. Get a meat, let it dry.
Okay, you guys, so this is my makeup. I really like how it turned out, and I like these two diamonds on the bottom, or these two crystals. It's really pretty. But yes, so I'm about to start filming the first video, but I wanted to show you guys a little sneak peek. Oh, focus. Yes, I wanted to show you guys a little sneak peek, so come on. So here's a little sneak peek of everything. I'm so excited to try these. I really hope I like them. Okay, hey you guys. Okay, so I am about to go to the grocery store so I can get the ingredients for the food we're gonna make tonight. But before I left, I wanted to give you guys a little OOTD. So I'm wearing this It's Nice to Be Nice shirt. So to be honest, I don't even remember where I got it, but it was from like a random, it wasn't like a weird sketchy site, but it was kind of just a random site. But where it was originally sold and where Casey Holmes got it, and she's the one who I saw it on, she got it from Topshop. So maybe keep checking Topshop, I don't know, because she kind of got it a while ago, but yes. And then these are just Lululemon leggings, and then these are my Aiko. Hi, Bug. Did you say hi to the vlog? Are you saying hello? And these are my Balenciagas. And I wanted to wear these boots, other boots that I have, but I can't find them. So these look just fine as well. So yes, I'm about to go to Target probably because I need to get some other stuff other than like groceries. So yes, we're gonna go to Target. And my friend said, she went to this Target to get, in Glendale, and she said that it was like super, super huge, like bigger than this one in Pasadena. So I'm gonna go check it out. I almost forgot you guys. So I'm walking downstairs with you guys with this recycling in my hand. And if you're wondering why I'm putting it in my car, it's because our recycling, where we have to bring our recycling boxes, is in such a random place. So it's easier to bring this to recycling bin when I come back home. So not that you guys give a about it, but I guess I told you. Hey you guys, okay, so as you can see, I'm back home, and I really don't know why I thought that I would just vlog me going grocery shopping, because I knew that I was gonna have to do it quick. And yeah, I don't know why I did that. And it ended up being like a longer journey than I anticipated. I went to the Target. It is a cool Target, it's big, but the grocery section sucks. There's like not, you know, meats, and like there's not different sections. I don't know, maybe that's like every Target. I don't think so, because I feel like I could have gotten bell peppers from another Target. I swear I've seen bell peppers at a Target before. But yeah, there was no bell peppers, and that's what I needed, because we're making stuffed bell peppers, and I'm so excited. This is so bomb. I got the recipe from Trinity J here on Instagram. Here on YouTube. And I'll link her down below. And it is so bomb. So because the Target didn't have bell peppers, I had to go to Sprouts because it was like 5 minutes away and I didn't want to have to like drive far to go to another grocery store. And Sprouts is cool. That was my first time actually shopping at Sprouts, and it was cool. But because it's Sprouts, it didn't have like the brand of sausage that I used the last couple of times I made it. So let me stop talking and let me get to cooking, because I am so hungry, you guys. I'm so happy I didn't faint in Sprouts. People kept staring at me. I was like, please just leave me alone. I'm just trying to shop so I don't drop. Okay, I think this is everything. If it's not, I'll tell you guys as I go. But you of course need bell peppers, minced garlic, cheese. Last time I used cheddar and Colby Jack, but when I went to Sprouts, this was literally the only real cheese they had. They had like diet vegan cheese, and I didn't want that. Any type of red sauce. My boyfriend bought this one. It worked fine when I used it, but I usually use like other type of red sauce, but I don't know what bolognese is. I don't really like the name of it. Diced yellow onions. I like to buy them already cut up. And then I use hot Italian sausage. You can use whatever you want to use, but I really like how, like the taste, that sausage. I mean, this is my first time using this. This is like straight from Sprouts' meat section. They had another one, but I just chose this one because it looked fresh and I could actually see it. The other one you couldn't see it. But yeah, the other hot Italian sausage that I usually use is I think by Johnson's. But yes, hot Italian sausage just adds its flavor. It tastes so good. But you can use ground turkey, beef, whatever you want. And I'm not putting rice in these bell peppers. I'm a carnivore, so I like to just eat the bell pepper and meat. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see, I have 5 bell peppers here. These bell peppers I'm going to stuff, and then these ones I'm going to use to put in the filling. So this one I had left over, so that's why it's already hollowed out. And I actually forgot until I went to go show you guys the ingredients. So that's why if you saw that red one and now there's not, I'm gonna save that red one for another time since this one's already cut open. And then this one. So what I'm gonna do for these bell peppers is you're just gonna cut the top off and take everything out and clean them. And then for these ones, I'm going to chop them up into like small pieces. So I will show you guys that once I'm done. Yeah, since YouTube can be vicious sometimes, I want to show you guys that I'm washing my hands. I see how y'all be up in Trinity's comments, and I'm not the one. So, this is what your peppers should look like that are chopped afterwards. And then this is what your bell peppers should look like afterwards. Now, if I was doing this for like Thanksgiving or for like a dinner party or somewhere where it's more formal or for other people, I'd cut the tops off and I'd have the ones with the stem so that I could present it with the stem on top. So it's like a more fancy, but because it's just me, I'm not worried about all that. So now it's time to cook the meat. Okay, so let me tell you what I'm about to do before I start doing it because I'm gonna have this fan on. So I have the sausage in here, and you need to cut up your meat, whatever you're using, into fine pieces, into crumble pieces. I don't know how you would say that. I'm not a chef, but you gotta cut it up. So my job's gonna be a little bit harder because they're in loops, but yes. And this sausage smells so good. Like I can tell that it is fresher because it smells so good and it's not even cooking. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I don't add any grease, oil, anything in here because there's gonna be enough fat in the sausage already. I want to say really quick that you guys don't have to just use one kind of meat. Like if you want that hot sausage flavor but you don't want to eat a whole bunch of pork, then you could do like a little bit of hot sausage and do ground beef or ground turkey. just cook the pork first and then cook the turkey because the pork cooks faster. I mean, because the pork cooks slower. Came back to show you guys. Oops, try to show you guys how fine, you know, it should be. And now I'm just letting it cook until it's light brown. So this is how it looks. And I'm just gonna mix that in. Okay, so I've added the sauce. I'm just gonna mix that all in together. You don't eat a lot of sauce though, and do not rely on the sauce to add flavor. I'm gonna add a little bit more sauce. Okay, you guys, we are almost done. So now we are going to just melt the cheese. The inside is done. I'm gonna do a taste test on camera, and then I'm going to stuff the bell peppers. I'm gonna put the cheese on top of them, and then I'm gonna put them in the oven until the cheese melts. Okay, got my spoon. Don't take too much. That's so good. I have to say, this hot sausage is way spicier than got me in my throat. That's so good. I need another bite. But the sausage is way spicier than the Johnson's brand. Thank you, Trinity, so much for sharing this recipe. My dog is begging for some. Okay, so these are the bell peppers. Now I'm gonna add cheese to them. They are super duper stuffed. I forgot to show you guys the cheese before I put in the oven, but that's what it looks like, pre-melted. Okay, you guys. Look how pretty it is. This is the final product, and I'm so excited to eat. All right, you guys, well, that is all I have for y'all today. I am so tired, I'm so hungry, I'm so excited to take this makeup off. That's what I have to do first before I even think about eating. I need to take this makeup off. So thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It's something different. If you guys want me to do more vlogs like this, then let me know in the comments. Also like this, and then also subscribe, because all those things are nice. And then if you're really feeling up to it, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on anything. Also follow me on Instagram at _Mariah Symone, and then follow me on Twitter at _Mariah Symone with 3 E's. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.
Designer head to toe, I sit to the head and float. Already been the poke, niggas too scared.